Hey everybody, welcome to this tutorial on how to make money online with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a large language model that is trained to answer questions and actually generate text in a human-like manner, which is pretty cool. So this means that you can use ChatGPT to generate content, answer questions for you, and even automate certain tasks, all of which can help you actually make money online. So there are several ways you can make money with ChatGPT. And in this tutorial, I am going to go over just some of the most popular methods, the top 5 popular methods that I feel are out there for using ChatGPT to make money online. So number 1 is content creation. One of the most popular ways to make money online, of course, obviously today, is through content creation. Now with ChatGPT, you can generate high quality content quickly and easily. It's revolutionary. This can include blog posts, articles, social media posts, and even video scripts. And then you can just sell the content to clients or post it on platforms like Medium and earn money through advertising revenue. To get started with content creation, you simply enter a topic or a keyword into ChatGPT and it will generate content for you. Revolutionary. You can then edit and refine the content as needed in order to make it suitable for your specific audience. Now, that I'm sorry to say about writers and everything, but it's changing the game. So when it comes to number two is answering questions. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by answering questions. So there are several websites and platforms that pay users to answer questions, such as Just Answer and Quora. Now with ChatGPT, you can quickly generate high quality answers to questions and earn money for those specific responses. And you can just put those responses onto those actual websites. To get started with answering those questions, simply sign up for one of those platforms, start answering questions that are relevant to your knowledge and your specific expertise. That is really important. It has to be what you actually do. Number 3 is chatbot development. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular in the business world, and many companies are willing to pay for custom chatbot development. Now, with ChatGPT, you can create a chatbot that can answer customer questions. It can also provide customer support, which is quite unique, and even make sales for you. But in order to get started with chatbot development, of course, you will need some sort of expertise because it's not as easy. But obviously, when you have that programming knowledge and expertise with things such as APIs, when you learn that, which actually won't be too difficult to learn. Once you have the basics down, ChatGPT can help you generate responses and automate certain tasks for you. Now, number 4 on the list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. And with ChatGPT, it can help you to generate content and promotional materials specifically for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, all you have to do is simply enter a product or a service that you're going to market into ChatGPT and let it generate marketing copy for you. It's as simple as that. You just have the product, input it, and then it does it for you. So to get started with affiliate marketing, you will need to sign up for an affiliate program, of course, and then start promoting specific products or services to your audience. And then you can earn a commission on any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. And it's simple. It's other people's products and it's you promoting them. So number 5 on the list is writing ebooks. You can use ChatGPT to help you write ebooks that you can sell online. Now, ebooks are a popular way to share information and expertise with others. And with ChatGPT, you can quickly generate high quality content for your ebooks. And that's revolutionary. That's pretty incredible. That's a way to utilize something free and make money with it. So to get started with book writing, simply enter a topic or keyword into ChatGPT and start generating content. You can then compile this content into an ebook and sell it to online platforms such as Amazon KDP or on your own website. Now, in conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for making money online. Whether you are a content creator, whether you're a marketer, or just an entrepreneur, there are several ways that you can utilize ChatGPT to generate content. You can also answer questions and automate certain tasks. So what I say is, why not give it a try and see how it can help you achieve your online business goals? It might be quite a great game changer for you. So check it out. So if you thought this video was helpful in any type of way, give me a thumbs up so that I know it's great content. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon next, and let me know if you prefer me to create more videos that are similar to this about making money online with free tools, because I definitely can create more videos that are similar to this. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy freelancing.